guys, so I want to do a quick protective style that should last me at least 1 week, and I want to do it using my hair without any kind of extensions. Let's start parting my hair. I just moisturized my scalp, and if you want to see how I moisturized my scalp, you can just watch the previous video. This is what we're dealing with. This is how my hair looks like. My hair is still moisturized, so there's no problem with that. So I just washed my hair 4 days ago. I did blow dry my hair, but I did not do it that much. I was just trying to stretch it and dry my roots. Also, if you want to see that, I'm going to link that video as well. So I have a video on everything that I'm doing to my hair because I'm recording everything that I'm doing to my hair. If you want to see my hair journey, kindly subscribe to my channel because I said I'm going to be documenting everything I'm doing to this hair until the day we're going to reach to waist length. So I'm on the length retention challenge. My goal is to reach to waist length. So I was thinking of maybe adding cornrows here at the front, and also like going like this halfway, and then the others to come like this, then the rest will be twist. So now let's start parting and see if my vision is going to come to light. My hair is getting so thick. So first of all, I'm parting from ear to ear. So I want the parting to be right here. At the front, I want to have cornrows on one side, and then the other side will be twists. I want my hair to fall down on one side. And for that to happen, I needed to also add cornrows that were going up so that I can have that effect. So when it comes to my hair, I normally have like lots of hair here in the middle section, but on the sides I don't have lots of hair. I try to use that to my advantage. So we're going to start with the cornrows. I really don't want small cornrows because I don't have time for that. So I think I'm just going to add like 3 cornrows here on the side. So the reason why I decided to add 3 cornrows on the side, it's because I just love how my face looks when my hair is on one side. I love how my face looks, guys. So I decided to just be doing this style whenever I'm doing any kind of braids or twist. But of course, I'm not going to be doing that often. I'm going to try different hairstyles. This year is all about trying different things. I'm not going to stay with one hairstyle all the time. So when it comes to the ends, I'm making sure that I'm coating them with my moisturizing cream. We are trying to retain our length, so we need to make sure that you are protecting our ends. And I did try to curl them the way I normally do, but they ended up unraveling later on. But anyway, I've been moisturizing them, so I've been keeping them safe and free from dryness. And then I decided to add flat twist on this other side because it was so hard for me to do cornrows going up. I don't know why it was so hard for me. Yeah, but it ended up looking cute. So I decided to do flat twist, and then the rest of the hair I decided to do twist. As usual, the ends I'm making sure that I'm coating them with my moisturizing cream. So the last time I did mini twist, I never really liked them, so I decided I was not going to do them until now. This time around, once I started doing these mini twist, I just ended up loving them so much to a point where I just want to do them again and again. But this is because I just did them differently from the last time when I did them. So when it comes to parting, I'm just randomly parting the hair, and I'm just filling it with my hand to see the size that I want to add, and then just twisting. I wasn't doing anything much to it. So the reason why this mini twist have been different, I think it's because I did stretch my hair beforehand, and also I never washed my hair. This entire time I never washed my hair while it was in this twist, and that is why I enjoyed this hairstyle so much. So I'm preparing to take them down right now as I'm doing this voiceover, but to be honest, this was the best protective style that I've ever done to my hair. And I just realized that the fact that I'm not washing my hair while it's still in protective style makes a huge difference, and that's something that I'm going to be doing more often because I know I'm not going to stay with a protective style for more than 1 month. So I'm still trying to figure out, because I'm not sure whether I can stay stay with a protective style for a month because I'm not even sure if my scalp is going to take it, but I'm going to try and experiment much further because I want to see how far I can go, especially without washing my scalp, because I want to maximize on doing protective styles more often. So I'm going to go and get my hair done. I'm going to be getting knotless braids very soon, and I'm really excited because this is going to be the first time in a very long time that I'm getting my hair braided in a salon. So I'm very much excited. I don't know what I'm going to expect, honestly. I hope I'm going to have a good experience. I don't want anyone pulling out my hair. So I'm going to make sure that I show you guys how I prep before I go to the salon. So stay tuned for that. And I just realized the secret to enjoying your protective style, you need to make sure that you're moisturizing your scalp and you're taking good care of your scalp. And here's the final look, guys. I just love how soft and feminine this mini twist look, and the corners on the side just add that extra touch of elegance. So this year I'm being more intentional, especially when it comes to my hair. I'm choosing styles that not only protect my hair but also make me feel confident and beautiful. It's all about embracing my natural hair texture, guys, while keeping it healthy and flourishing, as well as growing it to waist length. And that is why I'm making sure that I'm recording my entire journey so that you can see everything that I'm doing, and so that I can be able to at least account for each and everything that I'm doing. I have to make sure that I reach to that waist length, and I'd really love for you guys to join me so that we can grow our natural hair together.
Been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day.
That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you get to try this hairstyle out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.